So we're back down at Blower Street, just getting the test line pulled out today. All right, so they're back down there today, pulling that test line. So I am going to run back and grab a couple of bags of sand for them for around that gas line once they go back to finish backfilling that. So we'll be back down there in a minute, but they're doing pretty good. They're down to the test line. They just got to pull it out. They just got to pull it out, and then they will put the plug in, put a little bit of Teflon, pull that copper right out, and then Halifax Water will fire that main on just to make sure that everything's good. So far so good. And we'll go from there. The sprinkler guys are showing up as well just to test their work while we're on the same page. I have them there turning the valves, so we'll see them inside as well. So I'm gonna run back, grab the sand, and hopefully be back in time for that test at 11. I got 50 minutes, so I should have plenty of time. I mean, I am driving a 7.3 now. Anyway, we'll be back later.
A few moments later.
So, test line is out. Well, part of it anyway. Plug is in. The main is on. And it's holding pressure. There's the gas line. I grabbed some stuff for that. There's the rest of that copper line. Right there. We're going to get that here in a second. Pull that straight out through. And then ready to backfill and get it ready for concrete. If I'm not here when we go to do the grout, can you take a picture of it when it's
Yeah.
I'll send it to Logan there, and then they'll have it on record.
Come up a bit, Gare. Hold on.
We're about to find out how tight I made that. The first time we put it on, Lauren put it on, I threw the water pressure on, whoosh, popped right off. Then I had to put it back on. There's the copper line out.
Hallelujah. St. Philip them. Hail Mary, full of grace, and all you people. God bless you. All you little Catholic people. Hello.
Test line removed. Perfect. I like that. So those guys are good. Test line is in, everything's completed as far as that goes. They're going to backfill, leave the curb cut down. They're going to send some pictures of the non-shrink when they get that in for design point, because they want to see that. And other than that, we should be good to go. So this one should be done.
Yes! That's awesome!
And then it's just the restoration. So we'll probably see you again down here tomorrow with Sparks when he goes to do the restorations, and we will be back after that. Concrete's in. I missed all the action down on that other one. They had me down on that other freaking job. I was on my way here too. That looks really good, buddy. Looks really good. And, oh no, keep going. I never get to get any good video of you guys actually doing your thing.
You don't do anything.
What?
Because we don't do anything.
No, I know the video. So Sparks is doing a great job down there as expected. I don't expect anything less from him. It looks amazing. So Blower Street concrete is done. Now it's just gonna be the asphalt. So pave back in the street. Then once the street is paved back in, then we can have our final meeting just to check mark off everything to make sure that it's done to the specifications that were listed, hand over the as-built, and I can finally walk away from blowers. So next step will be paving, which probably won't be till next week. Yeah, and then that's done. I haven't gotten a whole lot of recording done this week. It's been a pretty chaotic week. A lot of stuff going on, including getting this new truck, which I'm gonna do a video on itself. But then also some other sites that are a bit more sensitive that I can't record on, so doesn't leave me a lot for videos this week. But anyway, it's Friday, it's beautiful, it's sunny, it's 15 degrees. I can't ask for any more than that. So going into the weekend strong here. Anyway, we'll see you guys maybe later today, maybe not. All right, until then.